Okay guys, this episode's pretty straightforward. Although I've been doing this video series for what feels like a really long time, this episode is essentially an idea that I had back in the very beginning that I'm not trying until now. Okay.
Described the pickup truck as the world's first gear guide. Yeah, that's pretty much true. I mean, everybody in the wheeler one is.
Alright. Yeah, that's within error range. Just to be sure, let's nuke it for another minute. Okay. Okay. Yep. It's pretty lukewarm temperature. Okay. Yep. So there you go. Osmium is microwave safe. Oh, but hang on, I only tested one piece. What if I tested the others? Yeah, if I tested some of these small pieces in there, that could make a difference. I'm not sure. You know, I don't want to press my luck too much. Let's just say that bulk osmium is microwave safe. Leave it at that. Metals in general don't get along with microwaves. You know what? I changed my mind. I am just going to weigh this whole thing and put the entire thing in the microwave for not a super long time. 5.946. All right, let's weigh it again. Once again, 5.946. All right.
If you were to fill this up now, 64 gallon tank, 220 pounds. Look at that little face. Unbelievable. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen a vehicle go round our test track?
All right.
Here we come up to Chicago. Look at that, Marine! Look, he's got Rolex! Yet another car. It's not your old record. This then is the £117,000 airline. Remember his idea of business. The wild wings and flared wheel arches of yesteryear.
Ooh, the glass is kind of hot. I don't smell anything though. Alright, so that was 20 seconds. Okay.
Unlike the doors on previous Lamborghinis, it doesn't open outwards and upwards.
Is that the Murcielago? Gallardo, I can't tell. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, if there's no water in the glass, it's going to get hot quick. And once again, within the error range. So, yeah. Now, I would put this in for longer, but here's the problem with that. Just, you know, let's say, hypothetically, that this were producing osmium tetroxide in the microwave. Eventually, this glass is going to break. It's going to crack and it's going to break. And hypothetically, if osmium tetroxide were being formed, it would escape. And as soon as I open the microwave door, I get that smell of chlorine or ozone or whatever the hell the tetroxide smells like. And then that would be, yeah, I'd be in trouble city. Might even be game over at that point. But I don't really think anything happened. And osmium tetroxide is supposed to cause staining. And I really don't see any staining of any kind. There's just nothing. You know, aside from the, you know, bits of shit and other things that I had in this vial before. Yeah, I think some of that might even be like super glue, a little bit of it. Okay.
Because of all the water, things were a bit harder to get started, but when it did, it was clearly purple. I took a reading of this, and there was pretty much no peak from sodium. I then let it run for a while, and as it sat there, it
And with 100 brake horsepower, you get the Ferrari 360.